to the West. And it's also my obligation to bring some of the amazing things I'm seeing in the West. It could be produce techniques, ideas, and bring them to India. मुझे लगता है कि बहुत ही एक यूनिक मौका मिला है मुझे इस उम्र के पड़ाव पे when I'm almost playing my last inning in the food business that I've got these opportunities which have never been heard before. Where a chef could be cooking for the president at the same time, could be hosting a show which reaches every home back home in the largest country in the world. I just feel that I have to be very careful what I touch. और उसमें एक चीज़ जो मुझे लगी बहुत ही यूनिक was always cranberries. It's a very mainstream part of American culture, and I've been consuming it from my morning cereal to creating salads with this, charts with chutney. आप देखेंगे I'll also do a small demo for you guys. And I do feel कि मेरे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है कि I bring something which is amazing happening in the world, not just for taste, but also for the gut. It's very high in vitamin C, which really helps. And I do feel कि Indian खाने में जब हम देखते हैं हमारी history of our food, many ingredients came from abroad. Many ingredients. It's hard to even differentiate now कि जो चीज़ें हिंदुस्तानी नहीं है, जो यहाँ पे आई वो हमारी अपनी हो गई. And I do feel कि cranberry is one of that. Cranberry really fits into our palate structure. Let's talk about taste. Indians के लिए सर्वोत्तम taste, health. बातें अच्छी लगती हैं हमको, but healthy बातें करेंगे पर खाएंगे समोसे. But that's also okay. But I do feel कि as a changing lifestyle, and I did not know that Gen Z is not very diet conscious because they talk the most about food and this is what I'm eating and I'm so selective what I eat. But I do feel that our traditions are changing. What our grandparents or great grandparents were eating, we are trying to bring those value systems back in our kitchens. जो चीज़ें उनको अवेलेबल थी, जो आटे उनको अवेलेबल थे, जो grains अवेलेबल थे, अब कम somehow they are becoming superfoods, which were our basic ancient wisdom. वैसे ही अमेरिका में ये जो छोटी सी बेरी होती grow, if you've seen how this is harvested, it's a pure work of art. Me and Sumit spend a lot of time on their fields. It's a brilliant work where it's not, the berry is not even touched. It's entirely processed with machines, and I do feel that it has something which is very versatile. अगर आप में से सबने टेस्ट किया cranberry, you can say the same thing what I want to say, that it touches our palate in a very chart जैसे touch करती है हमारे palate को. I do feel from taste profile, it also has an amazing chewy texture. Even if you put it in little biryani, somehow it has this thing where it hits out.